So this after the creation of first man Adam, God made that woman called Lilith also by taking sand and then giving it a shape of a woman and then blowing into air. But she then leaves divorces Adam because she was feminist. She wanted female domination over male, but that was against God's law also. So she actually wanted to rule over her husband Adam, but Adam never allowed that. So she wanted woman to dominate over man, but that never happened. So she left Eden Garden and she left away. So so she then married a devil and then had sex with him, and then she becomes mother of demons. So that story is very much tragic. So like that Lilith becomes mother of demons. So there are female devils, but female god, female angel, it's not there, because sex and the combination happened between devil and woman, not with woman and god, or woman or angel. So there are female version of angels and god is not there, but female version of devils are there because of the sex between woman and devil. Then Adam was alone again, so God then this time made Adam to go to deep sleep and then took out his rib bones. Adam's rib bone is there, no? That one God made Adam to fall in deep sleep, made him unconscious. Then took one of his rib bones. Then out of that rib bones, God made a woman. So since this time, God realized that again making from sand another woman, then she will also run away. So this time God used little bit of wisdom, intelligence he used. So he made Adam unconscious and then took out his rib bones, and then from that rib bone God actually made woman. So this time the creation of woman was bit different. So God made Adam unconscious and made him go into a deep sleep, took one of his rib bones, and from that rib bone God made woman this time. And so her name was Eve, and she was submissive to Adam because she was made from Adam. So since woman, so that's how this woman came from man. So like that she was submissive to her husband Adam, so everything was fine and okay. So since she was created from the bone of Adam, so then Adam name called her Eve. So like that this Eve and Adam went on, had nice relationship, they were in love, and that couple was made for each other. So everything went on well. So this time the creation of woman was perfect, and Eve was made from the bone of Adam. So God made Adam fall unconscious, and then from his rib bone God made Eve, and then they both are fine. She is adjusting to her husband, she is submissive to her husband, and so woman, so again man is dominating over woman, exactly what God wanted. So like that they are in love, and they are all is going on well. There is no clash between them, no divorce between them, no fight between them. So since Eve was made from the bone of Adam, so like that they are both connected to each other. So like that in love everything goes on perfect, and the relationship, that couple is made for each other and they go on well. So this Adam and Eve, this relationship was okay, good, everything was fine. Then what happens, this one more angel is there called Samael. What he will do, he will come to this Eden garden, and then he will plant two magical trees. One is the tree of knowledge and the other one is the tree of tree of eternal life. So there are two trees, tree of knowledge and tree of eternal life. Actually God didn't tell that angel to plant those two magical trees in this Eden garden which is on earth. He didn't tell, but this angel did all by itself, thinking on his own, why should I care God, my interest, my wish, I will do whatever I want, like that. So he went on planting two magical trees which actually God didn't want there in the Garden of Eden. Then God said to Adam and Eve, see, in this Eden garden there are lot many trees of giving lot many fruits. You can enjoy any of the fruits of any of the trees, but those two trees which are in the middle of the Eden garden, that one, those two trees you should not touch. Actually, this Samael, no, he's actually a devil. He's not an angel. He's a very bad angel. He actually wanted to trouble humans. That's why he came to Eden Garden and planted two magical trees. One is tree of knowledge and the other one is tree of life. Eating the fruits of the tree of knowledge, you will get full knowledge like God, and you can become God because you will get full knowledge. And in the tree of life, eating its fruit, you will get full life. You will never die. Only you will be like an angel, fully living forever and ever. Like God, you will become actually. So those two magical trees, this bloody devil called Samael, he actually comes there and plants those two trees. He's actually a bad angel, one of Lucifer's bad angel. Then this God tells Adam and Eve, you should not eat the fruit of those two trees. Eat all the other trees fruit, except those two trees fruit you should not eat, otherwise you will die. God says clearly, gives them warning. But then he gives warning in the morning and tells, I'll come back in the evening. Till then, enjoy your life. Like that God tells Adam and Eve. And this Adam and Eve said, okay, God, we will not eat those fruits of those two trees. Like you said, we will never touch them also. So like that, they said okay to God. Then this devil knew that Adam is strong in relationship with God. So cheating him and blackmailing him or confusing him is not so easy. So what this devil will do, Lucifer, the devil king, he will take on the form of snake, and then he will meet Eve secretly, personally, silently. He will meet in the tree and tells Eve, hey Eve, you should eat this fruit of the tree of knowledge. If you eat its fruit, you will get full knowledge like God. You will become God. God knows that fact, and that's why only he is telling lies that you will die if you eat that fruit, because God doesn't want you people to be God. Like that, this devil tells some or the other lies. Like if you eat the fruit of the tree of knowledge, you will become God. So go and eat. God knows that you will become God. So that's why only you should not become God. That's why God told you not to eat the fruit of those two magical trees. Actually, that is real only. They'll get full knowledge eating the fruit of the tree of knowledge. They'll get full knowledge and they'll be God. That's there. So actually, what the devil told is absolutely right only. The truth only the devil told in snake form. So the snake told that to Eve. Actually, it is not snake. Actually, it's devil in snake form. So the devil takes the form of snake and then meets Eve. And that snake is actually devil. It's not actually ordinary snake. It's actually devil taking on the form of snake and then talking to Eve personally, secretly. And when Adam is not there, it's coming and talking to Eve alone. You eat the fruit of the tree of knowledge, you will get full knowledge. You will become God. God knows that you will become God. That's only he told not to eat its fruit. So like that, he also got shocked. Oh, if I eat the fruit of the tree of knowledge, I will get full knowledge. Then I can be God in that full power of knowledge. Wow. Thanks, man. And so you thanked the snake, and she actually obeys the snake and then takes the fruit and then eats half, and then she gives half to Adam. What poor man Adam. He actually didn't know that actually it was the fruit of the tree of knowledge. His wife gave so much with love and affection and care, so in that love he took and ate the other half of the fruit also. Like that, both people sinned. Then so like that this earth actually gets cursed, and like that actually the death of man starts. Actually it was all good, awesome. Bad was not at all there on earth, but when they disobeyed God and ate that fruit, from there the bad things started happening. One or the other non-stop bad things happened. Death of humans started actually from there. From there the death of humans started dying. But God actually didn't make humans to die, but when they ate that fruit of the tree of knowledge, the humans started dying. So like that the devil won the victory. Yeah.